Hi, this is Kaizink with a quick improvement. So this is a large format trash can. We've got another one on that side of the table over there in use. In our trash cans in the shop, we have dry cans and wet cans. So wet cans get a trash bag put into it, and then they can have, food or ink or things like that thrown into them so that you can just take the bag out. Dry cans get things like vinyls and papers and stuff thrown into them so that they're easier to throw away without a bag. And we've got spots on the floor for them to come back to when they're not in use that say dry. But there's nothing on the cans themselves that say that they're dry cans, so if they're away from the table like this, you go to empty it, you bring it back in, and you'd think, oh, maybe it needs a trash bag put into it, so I'm going to make an improvement to it. Alright, so what I've done is I've created little stickers for them that say dry, so that when they're away from their home at the table here, you can still see it's a dry can from further away. That way if you're looking for a wet can to throw something away, you know that this isn't one, as well as it'll eliminate that question of if it needs a trash bag once it's been emptied.